Come on down and shop with us. We got prices lower than the limbo stick. Hey!
Come shop our inventory and I'll make you a deal. Pickle?
Buy a human transportation device from us.
Trust the app, not humans.
Wow, there are a lot of car commercials these days, but this one is different.
Because this one is about my dealership, Don Hewlett Chevrolet. No antics, just the truth. My dealership isn't some tech company or a fly-by-night roadside stand. My dealership is a real dealership with real, caring humans that back every deal with an honest handshake and a warm smile. My dealership sells vehicles of every size, from Texas-sized trucks to compact SUVs. Thinking about going electric? Well, my dealership has you covered. And if you ever have problems, my dealership has technicians ready to diagnose and fix issues on all makes and models.
And not just the ones we sell.
The Collision Center is state-of-the-art, ready to erase any dings, scrapes, or accidents. Whoa, it's like it never even happened. The on-site Express Oil Change Plus can get you in and out in 60 minutes or less and comes with a free car wash and tire rotation. Free coffee, too.
Mr. Garner, your truck is ready.
This is just an honest commercial for my dealership, Don Hewlett Chevrolet. Thank you. So whether you're looking for a new or used vehicle, need service, repair, or just an oil change, make them your dealership too. Find new roads in Georgetown and at donhewlett.com. Don Hewlett, Texas True.